Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Windows cannot format the volume because the volume is offline. First method, type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type disk part. Type list space, disk. Type select disk your disk number. Type list partition. Type select partition 1. Clean. Type create partition primary. Type delete partition override. Exit. Exit. Right-click Start button, click Disk Management. Right-click your disk or pen drive, click New Simple Volume. Second method, type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type disk part. Type list disk. Type select disk your disk number. Type list volume. Type select volume your drive volume number. Type format fs equal to ntfs quick. Exit. Exit. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.